Previously on my channel. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa Da Nang, Vietnam, ang dito natin is pupuntahan natin yung Bana Hills, kung saan nandun yung famous na Golden Hand Bridge, yung may nakalahawak na kamay na ganyan na malaki. And ayun, before tayo makarating doon is magki-cable car muna tayo paakyat, and which is yun yung 20 minutes na cable car papuntang Bana Hills, and yun yung sinasabi nilang longest cable car. Mas mahaba pa sa Hong Kong na cable line nila. So yun. Bye! Good morning. Habang kumakain kami, bigla na lang bumuhos yung ulan dito sa Da Nang, Vietnam. I-enjoy nyo muna ang view ng Da Nang, and may 30 to 45 minutes na biyahe papuntang Bana Hills.
So I have something for you, everyone. Yeah. Yes, this is a raincoat. Yeah, the raincoat. I be wrap for all of you. The raincoat. Gerardo Eliano. Okay, happy birthday.
So ayan guys, wala kaming kaalam-alam na may ganitong surprise pala tong agency na binook namin. So sobrang happy kami dahil na-advance yung birthday celebration namin ng family ko.
Okay, bro. Okay, let's open. Okay, open it.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, make a wish.
Okay, yeah. And the second thing is bánh mì. Bánh mì, everyone. Bánh mì, very famous about the world. Top one sandwich in the world.
So ayan, bago ka makakarating sa cable car ay marami muna kayong aakyatin na hagdan at elevator bago kayo makasakay sa cable car ninyo. So ayan, finally, nakarating na tayo sa may sakayan ng cable car. So, nag-aantay na lang talaga tayo, guys. Finally, so after a long walk, hagdan and escalator, nandito na kami sa loob ng cable car namin and we're ready for Bana Hills.
Sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now.
In-explore na po natin ang buong Bana Hills.
Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.